Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up email alias on Outlook. Once you log in, go to the settings icon at the top corner of your screen. From the left corner, click on Mail and Forwarding and IMAP. Scroll it down until you find Email Aliases and click Manage. Here you can see your primary alias. To add another alias, click Add Email. Here you can choose whether you want to create a new email address or just add an existing email address. For here, I'll just add existing email. Type in your email and click on Add Alias. Now you already added your aliases and you can choose whether you want to make it primary, whatever you want. And that's it. That's how you easily set up and add alias in Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.